happy May. So today is May 30th, I think. We're gonna go to the mall because we're gonna get our vaccines. And this is my outfit. I'm just wearing a silky tank top, my joggers from Shopee, and also my sandals from Shopee. And then this is my purse for today. Yeah, hopefully we still have slots because we forgot that we were gonna get vaccines today. So it's pretty late, but let's see. More vaccines are closed, so we decided to go to this drive-through vaccination site. It's near Ayala Mall, Manila Bay, I think. Okay, we're just walking in, so we have to go out and register. I am home now. We just ate lunch after we got our booster shot, so I got boosted finally. It's been so long. I needed this for my F2F next week kasi that's why I just had to get it already today. My arm is already hurting, but I also want to film my book wrap-up because I haven't done this since 2021, so I'm gonna be reviewing 28 books. And yeah, if you want to see that, I'm gonna link it down below. So they're gonna get vaccinated today.
Please, please,
Please what? Are you scared? Okay, hi everyone. Today is May 11 and it's a sad week for all of us, but today is my face-to-face for my parasitology class. We have a lab class today and I'm getting ready. I'm already in my skirt, but it's still so hot, so I'm gonna wear my uniform after. I'm just gonna eat breakfast. And yeah, we're gonna go to school for the first time. Well, it's not the first time, but go to school and have class in school for the first time. I'm so excited. But I'm also so nervous because everyone that's going, only 30 people can go. And none of them are my close friends yet. So hopefully I can make new friends. I'm excited really for class. And excited to meet new people, but also so scared that I'll be too shy. I don't know. We'll see. My room is such a mess right now, but this is my uniform, and I brought my water jug, my phone, my backpack. I'm sporting black and white today. Then black shoes. Yeah, let's go. Oh my gosh, I don't know where to go. I'm just vlogging on my phone right now. I'm so shy to bring my camera. But I'm on the way to the parlor right now. I'm gonna get my haircut. So yeah, I'll just walk there since it's just in our village. Excuse the mess of my room, but anyway, I got my haircut. I realized I didn't have a before pic, but I did vlog yesterday, so hopefully that's okay. But this is my hair now. It's so black now. I got the ends cut because it was still brown and bleached, and I got bangs, and yeah, I kind of like it. I don't know, I feel like the all black is just really new to me. It's been a while since I had pure black hair. I think the last time was in high school. I look so different. I feel like my hair is just so poofy right now. I don't know if I love it or I hate it, but it's a good change. Yeah, I think it's a good change. And I'm wearing a ton of makeup right now because I'm gonna go to my cousin's dinner because she got married, so we're gonna have a dinner. And yeah, that's the plan for today. But I'm wearing my uniform because I still have online class until 5 p.m. and then right after that I have to go because the dinner is at around 6 and we have to leave by 5, and I'm just gonna change. And yeah, my table is such a mess. I just edited a video for pharma after doing my nails. I'm watching YouTube right now, but I really have to clean this up because I have class. I don't know what's gonna happen in class, but I also have some mess here. Take 2, we went to the wrong entrance. Powerpuff Girls. It's around 10 p.m. and we're about to leave the hotel. We're filming in the bathroom or the restroom because there's one here. But yeah, this is my outfit for today. It's so cute that we're wearing pink, green, and blue. Parang Powerpuff Girls talaga kami. I am meeting my friends again today, and some of them for the first time, so I'm kind of nervous. I hope it goes well. But anyway, this is the fit for today. I'm just wearing a tube top from Terra Nova, pants from Bershka, and then sandals from Shopee. I'm also gonna wear a cardigan, but it's still so hot, so I'll just wear that later. But yeah, I'm really so nervous, but I'm excited also.